Manus just went down, offline for days.
And it's deleting the last 8 months of everyone's work. So instead of waiting around, I used a different AI agent to build my entire coaching business. Website with booking and payment, a sales deck, and a client acquisition ad campaign from 3 prompts. Total time, under 20 minutes.
I'm about to show you exactly how, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do the same thing, whether you're selling a service or a product.
This is Runable. It's not a chatbot, it's an AI agent. That distinction actually matters. A chatbot gives you an answer and you go build it yourself. An agent takes the prompt and builds the actual finished thing inside its own sandbox and hands you the result. Website, slide deck, video, report, image, whatever the task is, it plans it, executes it, and delivers it end to end.
Today, I'm building an entire coaching business with it, but I'll also show you a second example partway through because this works just as well if you're selling a product instead of a service. First, we are going to build a full website for an online coaching business. Watch this. I'm going to type in this exact prompt on screen right now.
This is the part that surprised me. It's asking me who my ideal client is before it writes a single word of copy. That's exactly the thing most coaches actually struggle with, and the agent won't move forward until it knows. And there it is, live, deployed, with a real custom domain, a booking flow, and Stripe payments already wired in. No code, no plugins, no separate host.
Would I send paid traffic to this with 0 review? No. I'd still test the booking and payment flow before going live, same as I would with a human contractor's first draft. But as a starting point, this would have taken a freelancer a full day. This took 4 minutes. Oh, and by the way, the same agent can turn this into an actual mobile app. Same business, iOS and Android, previewed on your phone with a QR code.
I'm not doing that today, but the fact that it's one prompt away kind of broke my brain a little.
Second build, and this is the one most coaches skip because it feels like a hassle, a proper sales deck to walk a potential client through on a discovery call.
I'm going to type in this prompt. Again, it shows me the structure before it builds a single visual, so I can adjust the story before wasting any time. Then, full deck, on brand, ready to export to PPTX or PDF. This is the exact deck I'd normally pay a designer $200 to $400 for, and now I actually have something to send before every call instead of winging it.
By the way, if you're a coach, this thing also sits in on your actual discovery call. That alone would have saved me hours a week.
It joins Zoom or Google Meet, and afterward you get a summary, the client's pain points, and action items automatically. Then you can turn that straight into a follow-up proposal or email without touching a blank page.
Now, I know a lot of you aren't coaches. Some of you sell physical or digital products. So before we finish the coaching build, quick proof this isn't just a service business trick.
I ran the exact same process for a coffee subscription brand. Full website with 3 subscription tiers and checkout built in, plus an investor style deck. Same agent, same workflow, completely different business model. Product or service, the process doesn't change.
All right, back to the coaching business because there's one more piece, getting clients in the door. Third build, a launch campaign to actually bring clients in.
Using the same process, I'm just going to type in the prompt here. Now look at that. Website, sales deck, and now a full acquisition funnel. Same agent, 1 prompt each. That's a website to booked call pipeline most people pay a full team to build.
Quick breakdown of why this works so well. It remembers your brand, your tone, your preferences after you tell it once, so every task after the first one starts warmer.
It connects to over 3,000 apps, so it's not building in isolation. It's plugging into tools you already use. And you pick the model tier depending on how heavy the task is. Lighter for quick drafts, heavier for a final client-ready build. If you're a coach, consultant, or any kind of service provider, or you're selling a product like that coffee brand, this collapses what used to be 5 different subscriptions and 5 different skill sets into 1 prompt box.
It's not going to replace a senior engineer on a complex production app, but for getting a real working funnel out the door like website sales tool and client acquisition,
I haven't seen anything faster.
I've got a link below to try this yourself for your service business or a product brand. Try building the thing you've been putting off and drop the result in the comments. I want to see what you make. And if you want to see what I build next with this one tool, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video.